This is the K-100. When you receive this, we'll open it up. You will then see your calibration certificate, an inspection report, warranty card, as well as a manual for the device. This is the device itself. It is very handheld and versatile, has that clip on the back for belt clip, as well as a D-ring, including the strap for wearable device. To turn the device on, we'll press and hold that power button. On the side here is the charging port cable included here, as well as the wall outlet as well. Inside, we'll have this little cover to protect your sensor as well. To turn off the device, you'll press and hold the power button. And just like that, that is our K-100A ozone monitor.